Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Aries, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Aries. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. All right, Aries, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for being here. And Aries, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay, Four of Cups, Five of Wands, Ace of Wands, Ten of Swords, the Hierophant, King of Swords, Three of Wands, Knight of Cups, and then the Queen of Pentacles. Wonderful. Seven of Cups, bottom of my spread. Aries, what is this confusion? What is this confusion? It seems like somebody is very sad and feeling very rejected, feeling very neglected, feeling nothing is exciting in their life. Maybe there's been an argument, fight or something. The passion is still there. Somebody still wants to take action, but feeling devastated because it's like, something really solid broke down here. Somebody does want to communicate. They do want to speak their truth. Maybe they are waiting for, I don't know what. Let's see. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here, Aries. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. And then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. Aries and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aries and their person. Aries and their person. All right. Let's take a few more Aries from another deck. Aries and their person. Okay. Aries, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right. Good to go, Aries. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, "It's so frustrating the way you compare me to others. I'm not like anyone else. My success is not measured by status or material items. I'm unique, authentic, and proud of who I am. Why don't you just see me, my heart, and my soul?" I realize I can't run from you because you're deep within me. We are one and internally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself. When you've shown me in the mirror the reflection of what I don't like about myself and what I must heal. Your indifference could be the difference as to whether I continue to invest in you and our relationship anymore. Life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and soul because they want to burst out of my chest and my mouth. I love you. Your love makes my day, my week, my month, my year, and my life. You are the most beautiful person in the world, at least in my world. You are my whole world, my universe, my all. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand I need time. I need some time to collect my thoughts. It's the little things that you do that make you so special. All right, Aries, these were some of your messages. Let's see what's going on here. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for today. Then we'll do the clarifications, okay? Blessing, guidance, advice, reward. Well, somebody either wants to give you something or some big rewards are about to happen for you, Aries. Take that as a blessing. I would. If I was in your place, I would just say, yes, good things are coming towards me. For all that you've endured, all your hard work, your rewards are on their way. Okay, so now let's get back to our reading. And Spirit, Who's this in the Four of Cups energy? And the Five of Wands. Four of Cups. Somebody wants to change things around. Now they want things to start moving. They want to change things. They are now feeling that, oh, I do want this Ten of Pentacles. I do want to have an equal give and take. But the reason that they are sitting in this sadness and loneliness and feeling rejected and neglected is because there's been some kind of an argument, maybe, or a fight between the two of you. Five of Wands. What's this Five of Wands, Spirit? Yes, they do want to. Somebody feels I made a very foolish mistake here. There is so much love that they feel for their person. They see their person as the most loving, kind, intuitive, beautiful person, and they want to now offer the Ace of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands. They really want things to move forward. Then what's the problem? What's this Ace of Wands? Ace of Wands. Oh, they feel they've done something to damage this connection. It was such a beautiful soulmate connection. Two of Cups. See, I just said that. Lot of regrets, lots of sorrow, lots of guilt for whatever they've done to damage this connection. Now they're all fired up. They want to offer it, but now their guilt is keeping them stuck. They feel devastated. They feel, oh my God, I betrayed my person. I killed this connection. Why? By not offering commitment when they should have. Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords, Spirit. Yes, they feel this. They want to start a brand new chapter actually, but they feel at the moment this connection is over. This is over. Ten of Swords and the World card. Why do you feel this is over? Hierophant in reverse. Because they made a choice. One second. Because they feel somebody made a choice here. They made a choice. Whatever choice was made here. One second, Spirit. Hierophant, clarified by the Hierophant. What's that? They're disappointed they didn't. They behaved in such an immature manner. They behaved like a player, or they created some kind of drama. Somebody is very disappointed that when they should have offered this commitment, they didn't. Right? So I think the person who left, made a choice for this connection and became single and got unstuck from the connection. Now, I think in retrospect, this person is thinking they want to take action, they want to offer everything, they also want to come and communicate. King of Swords, since you're sitting here, I'll give you the mic. What do you want to say? You could be dealing with an air sign. Well, what this King of Pentacles is saying that they're saying they lied. Whatever fight or whatever words were spoken was all a lie, and they want to reconcile. Or if they say, oh my God, they have so much love. Whoever this person is who wants to now have a restart with the person who's no longer interested, Aries. This person wants to say that whatever I said was all lies. Whatever argument, fight we had, maybe about third parties or whatever, they want to reconcile and offer love now. Three of Wands. Yes, somebody is really charged. I have three aces on the table already, Aries. I have the Ace of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. The only one, Ace of Cups as well. Oh my God, all four aces on my table. Believe it or not, all four aces. So what's this Three of Wands, Spirit? What's this Three of Wands? Somebody is waiting for the right time to communicate. The choice is made. Except, yes, they want to end the cycle of pain. But the only problem here is that they feel that their person is blocking them or will block them. They will reject them. They're feeling released. They feel this Queen of Pentacles is now shining bright, will not allow them back in. They're expecting another fight. They expecting, okay, they are feeling bad. They feel they've really messed up. They made some very unwise decisions. They've ruined this connection. They do want to come back to this Queen of Pentacles. That's for sure. I mean, 4 aces on the table in a 9-card spread. 7 of Cups, Spirit. Why is this our overall energy? What's the 7 of Cups? 7 of Cups. Ooh, Tower. Well, even if you guys feel there is no communication coming, Aries, you could be dealing with a Libra, I don't know. Somebody is ready to offer you the world, it seems. This is going to happen sudden. This is going to happen sudden, out of the blue. There is an offer coming to start anew. Am I right? Is this the reward? Oh my God. Yes. Aries, there is a communication coming. There is some communication coming. Somebody finds this Queen very, very attractive. They want to work on this connection. They want a 10 of Cups. They want a 10 of Cups. I mean, I don't know what to say to this reading, Aries. 4 aces in a 9-card spread. I rest my case here. Okay, I'm not going to say anything else. There is some sudden changes, sudden movement coming, that's for sure. The only thing I think that's keeping this person stuck is a little bit of fear that they will be blocked or they will be rejected. I don't think it's going to really bother them that much. They may make some sudden move, which is going to come out of the blue. It's almost going to be like, F it, I'm going for it. All right. So that's all for you, Aries. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.